Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix all RAM not fully usable updated solution in Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. First method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Uncheck maximum memory. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Open clear page file at shutdown, change value data to 1, close and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.